So hello guys, today's question is a class teacher is checking the marks of each student in 5 subjects in order to find whether the student is failed or passed in more than 2 subjects or not. The pass criteria is that he must get above 50 in each subject. Okay. Write a program in C using pointers for the above scenario, which takes an array of input size 5 and check whether a particular student is failed in more than 2 subjects or not. So as per the question, we need to make an array of size 5 as there is a list of marks given to the teacher consisting of 5 subjects. So we will make a array of size 5 and we will take the input of the marks. Okay. As per the question, we need to take the input of marks. Okay. Now we will make a function. Let the function name be func, which will consist of parameters of address of array and the size of the array. Okay. Here the size is 5, so we can replace it by 5. Okay. Now we need to print, right, that the particular student fielding more than 2 subjects or not. Okay. So we will make a while function which will consist of the pointer of array and its size. Now the pointer to the array will point to the 0th index of the array. Okay. It will point to the 0th index of the array, as the 0th index of the array consists of the address of the array, whole array. Okay. So let's initialize a variable count which will check the total number of subjects we filled in. Okay. Now we will run a loop. And we will check that if each element is greater or less than 50. As we need to check the failure of that student, we need to check that if each element is less than 50 or not. If it is less than 50, we will increase the count to +1. And at last, after iterating over the whole array, we will check if count is greater than 2. We need to simply print f. We need to simply print he failed in more than 2 subjects. Else, we need to print he did not fail in more than 2 subjects. Okay. Okay, so let's check the code again. There is an array of size 5. We take the input of the size array. We will take the input in the array. We are calling a function where there is a pointer to the array, pointing to the first index and its size. We are initializing a count 0, running over the loop, checking in how many he scored less than 50, and if it scored less than 50, we will increment the count to 1. At last, we will get the total count in which he failed. If count is greater than 2, we need to simply print he failed in more than 2 subjects, as we need to print this. Okay. Now let's run this. Okay, so let's take the input. Let's suppose the first marks are 50, 48, 32, 11, and 10. Okay. So as you can see, there are 4 subjects in which he is scoring less than 50. Hence, the output is he failed in more than 2 subjects. Let's do this for another case. So let the input be 56, 56, 58, 50, 59, 87, and 1. and 47. Okay, so we can see that there is only one subject which is scoring less than 50. So the output would be he failed less than two subjects. Okay, in less than two subjects, or he did not fail in more than two subjects. Okay, hence I hope you understood this question. So thank you.